Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Veo3 account, camera registered, and basic API tools like Postman or Curl. Once those are ready, you initiate authentication. Use your account email and password to request a token. Make sure to include the device serial number in the initial body so the backend links credentials to hardware. This step gives you a temporary access token. Store it securely, because subsequent calls require that token for authorization. Next, you exchange the temporary token for a long-lived access token via the token endpoint. This reduces repeated logins and avoids rate limits. Once done, call the device list endpoint to retrieve camera ID and supported capabilities. This tells you which endpoints to use for recording, live stream, or file download. Make sure to set the authorization header to bearer plus your token, and check response fields for camera ID and stream path so you call the right resource. Finally, perform the action calls you need. Start or stop recording, request a live session, or download recorded files using the camera ID and stream path you found. Once completed, rotate and refresh tokens before they expire to avoid unexpected failures. If something goes wrong, check for 401 or 403 errors, then log the full request and response, confirm the device serial, token scopes, and time skew between systems. These are the usual causes and usually fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.